Hello YouTubes, it was I, that guy that used to work on cars. I just spotted I'm over 10,000 subscribers, which is totally amazing, considering I've really not done anything for a couple of years. So where have I been? Sometimes you just got to take a break, and I don't mean like a couple of weeks, I mean a couple of years. Fully refreshed, feeling fit as a fiddle. Where have I been for the last couple of years? I'll tell you after this. So where have I been for the last couple of years? I have been here in my basement building my new HO scale model railroad. And of course, I had to make a YouTube channel for that one too. Link in the description and up there somewhere. It's called Scott Rails, you know. If I start doing food, it'll be called Scott Cooks or something. Anyway, we're back to the car stuff. Let me give you an update. Bugsy, my 1936 Chevy Coupe, still under a tarp. I'm sure he works just fine. Needs a lot of work, which is what we're going to be focusing on this coming year. My new truck, which I didn't wash for the whole of last year. That's how bad I've been neglecting cars. He's still running perfectly. And wifey's little electric Mini, still working flawlessly. Still costing about $1 a day to run. And on to the giant elephant in the room, the other project underneath that junk, which I've given up on. I should have stripped it all down by now, but as you can see, it's become a gigantic storage for junk. So all of that has to go into the truck and off to the dump. Apart from the Christmas wreath, which has to go back down to the basement. So I think that's what I'm going to have to attempt to do before I do anything else. And look at this disgraceful mess. I've not cleared my workbench in close to 2 years. Absolutely terrible. Wife's spare wheels sit up there, which means I can't use that bench. So they need to find a new home. I think even that Tim Hortons cup has been there for about a year. Oh, so much to do. But once I get that cleared and get all the junk cleared off the other project and get that gone, we will have space to actually work in cars again. So, time to reconnect with the gang, so to speak. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know if you finished your last project, if you're working on a new project, if you're still doing YouTube videos, or if you gave up or took a break like I did. Love to see how you're all getting on. Because I know there's a couple of folk that have got a very similar car to mine, 36 Chevy Coupe. Some have got a 34, 35, 37. But specifically, I'm talking to you, Ted. Have you moved any further forward? I need to come up and see you. It's been way too long. Okay, I need to take advantage of this mild weather. There's no ice, there's no snow on the ground. Time to load up my truck. Although I might have to do a couple of runs. Mostly cardboard, I can strip that down, cut it down, flat pack it, but there's a lot of junk there, a lot of junk over there, lots of reorganising to do before I can get to work. And obviously I need to strip down the new project, so to speak. And then we will have space to strip down Bugsy, get the parts in the garage, start working on the metal work, the bodywork, the filler, the paint. I will also be on the hunt for some sort of fuel injection carburetor system, sniper or something, I can't remember what it's called. Any sponsors out there, you know, 10,000 subs and all that, influential. Anyway, part of the reason I don't enjoy driving Bugsy anymore is the horrific smell of fuel. He's basically pouring more fuel into the cabin than into the engine. So I want to get that sorted, more likely to drive him a bit further. Oh, I just remembered another thing I used to do. We used to do live streams. Don't know if I did them every weekend or now and then, but what I might have to do is dig out the world map and start again with the pins, the locations. You guys tell me where you are. We'll start afresh, because there's a lot of new people that I've not even said hello to yet that are in the subscriber list. So I will organise a live stream. It'll be like from the basement. We'll do a quiz or whatever, you know, make it fun. And I'll see you all there. Again, thank you very much for my 10,000 plus subscribers. Very, very humbling, especially considering I've not been paying you guys any attention. Apologies if you've been asking questions and I've been ignoring you. Just not been feeling it for the last few years, but it's coming back. I'm getting the Peter tingle. That sounds disgusting. It's a Spider-Man thing. Anyway, I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Much to come, much excitement, much noise from the neighbours. Bye for now.